In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import .csv file on Mailchimp. Start by logging into your account, then next in the left panel, click on Audience. So from here, click on the Add Contacts drop-down and click on Import Contacts. Next, from the choices, click on Upload a File, then press Continue. Now here you can now drag and drop or select your file manually from your computer, then add in your CSV file. Then press continue. Next is select the audience in which you want to add these contacts, then press continue. You can also add tags for these contacts, then continue. Now map the fields in your CSV file, then press continue. Then click on finalize import. Make sure that you review to make sure everything aligns correctly and click on Complete Import. Once done, Mailchimp will then upload your contacts to your audience. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!